Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10 mm wrench. This prevents shorts and protects electronics. Gather tools, 12 mm and 14 mm sockets, a 3/8-inch ratchet, breaker bar, extension, pry bar, torque wrench, and the replacement alternator. Confirm the alternator matches a 2015 Nissan Altima engine code, and that units range from 50 to 00 for remanufactured versus new. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and keep the vehicle in park or neutral with wheel chocks. Start by releasing belt tension with a 14 mm wrench on the tensioner and slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley carefully. Note belt routing or take a photo. Disconnect the electrical connector at the back of the alternator and remove the main output nut using a 12 mm socket, saving the terminal hardware. Remove the 3 mounting bolts, usually upper 12 mm, lower 14 mm, and a rear 12 mm. Support the alternator with one hand and lift it straight out of the engine bay to avoid snagging wires. Position the new alternator and thread the mounting bolts by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then tighten them and torque to the factory specification of 30 Nm using a torque wrench. Reconnect the electrical connector and the main output terminal, ensuring insulating boot and lock washer are correctly seated. Route the harness away from heat and moving parts. Reinstall the serpentine belt and set tension so the longest span has about 10 mm deflection under thumb pressure. Reconnect the negative battery cable, start the engine, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.